Okay, now the video is started.
Farming sim for right now. We bought something that was the wrong thing. We thought it was a water thing, but sadly not.
Apparently, slurry is actually considered milk. Because we need a watering tank to feed
to
water our pigs.
Show y'all our pigs and our little sim.
We might need to sell that slurry tank.
And then we can buy cows.
As much as I hate to say,
We gotta find out where to buy cows.
because if we get cows and feed them and then collect milk, we can sell it at the dairy.
Yeah.
For some money.
Yeah, if you zoom them into that tree right there, there's a bird in it. I tried to put a shot on it. Yeah.
Right. I'm sure Kelton will see it on whenever he gets the chance to, because he's probably busy. Because he's got animals to take care of. Here comes Sheldon's pony coming to say hi.
Yeah. I'll show you what BBs look like. Guys, I'll show you what BBs look like. You see that little thing right there? That's what they are. Pellets? They won't work as good. They'll work way better. Like one time I dropped a bird on Sheldon's place. And we're probably going to ask Trace if we can play Red Dead, right?
Right.
Because we're wanting to drop some turkeys and some deer, right, Rubble?
And sell them, because we're going to try to steer away from violence and more just kill animals and sell them and repeat the same process.
Yep. We might even steal people's cows sometimes.
And some, we might skin some animals and sell their hides.
Yeah, we could probably get one of our... Rick, come here. We might be able to take one of our cows out of the pens and take them out into the valley and shoot them. Did you think?
Or we could do the other thing, which is go into somebody's pasture and just go.
Yeah, kill everybody. And then just go.
Just kill every cow there.
Yeah. Bring it all one by one.
Which I think cows you can only, because they're so big,
Yeah.
I think you can only take their hide.
What happens if you drag it?
You can't.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, we're just going to leave that pot there. Leave that right there.
And we might steal, borrow some people's horses.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. in this video. And peace.
Peace, guys. See you in the next video. And we apologize for it saying no phone storage available.
Yeah. And peace.
Peace out, guys. See you in the next video.